Well, a sales value chain or a value chain is literally a series of activities that are occurring within your organization to work with a client or a supplier or someone where you're adding value. And at each stage and each, shall we call it, link in that value chain, there has to be an exchange of value. So someone is either giving value or someone's receiving value. So you've got this give and receive occurring, and if you're receiving it, then what you're doing is you're passing it on, and you're then giving value to continue that chain. So these are links in a value chain. So when we look at a value chain itself, it only takes one break in that value chain or one failure in that value chain to occur just once, and you have potentially destroyed the value for a client. So what we do is I come in and I sit down and work with you where I have you map out your value chains. And this could be a larger group, it could be a smaller group, or it could be independent groups we do in different stages. And you map out each step of your value chain. That could be a sales value chain, or it could be related to a particular department. Get a sale, pass it through to delivery, etc. And then I ask you to take a number of scenarios, one at a time. Where did it break? What went wrong? And we look at that, and we look at why did it break? What went wrong? And then I give guidance on how to actually avoid that happening. There are techniques, there are ways that you should be receiving information and you should be giving information. And they're very straightforward when you know how to do them. And there are actions. There's only a set of actions that you should be doing. And you need to make sure you do those actions correctly. So I guide you in each case through each of those real life scenarios where something has gone wrong that has hurt your business. And that way we actually find where there are failures and breaks in your value chain, and where we can very easily actually fix them.